In this video, I'll show you how to fix your PS4 if you get this error, which is the WS-37472-3. So let's start right away with the first solution, which only takes a minute. You'll have to turn off your PS4 and then unplug it from the wall socket. Then you'll have to wait a full minute, okay? Don't plug it back during at least a minute. Once this is done, you can connect it back to the power outlet and hopefully your problem is gone. Now, if you still got the problem, I have a second solution for you, which consists to go into the settings. Then you should select the network option that looks like this. Then select Setup Internet Connection. Then select Use Wi-Fi. On the next page, you need to select Custom. Then select Automatic. Then you're going to select Do Not Specify. After this, select Manual. Alright, and this is very important. You're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Once you're done, you need to select Next. Then you should select Automatic, and on the next page, select Do Not Use. And finally, you should have this button which says Test Internet Connection. Press on it and the PS4 will automatically test your internet, and hopefully it will show that everything is fine. Now, if it still doesn't work, I suggest that you unplug your internet router from the outlet. And again, just like you did the last time, let it sit for about a minute. Don't plug it back. Sometimes by doing this soft reset, it helps. Then you just need to connect it back, and hopefully your PS4 will work again. Please let me know in the comments below if you have other solution, and if not, well, I'll see you in the next time. Thanks for watching.